Okay, so now we've taken the E4 Plus out of its box, and this is what's included. The scooter, of course, handlebars, charger, and there will also be an owner's manual specific to your market. So to lift up the handlebars, all we do is push down on the rear brake. That will come into place, push the lever up, and it will click into place there. To release it again, there is a safety mechanism so it cannot be done accidentally. Lift that up, pull it down, and then you can clip it back in for carrying it around. So we're now going to put the handlebars in, and all we do with the threads here is screw them in. If you're not planning on having to fold it down, such as to put it in your car or transport it or send it anywhere, we recommend putting some thread lock on here, which is available from all good hardware stores, just so that they remain in there nice and tight. So now we're ready to go. On to charging. You've got a charging point down here for the scooter. The scooter will come part charged, but for safety they don't come fully charged. So we're going to plug the charger into the wall here. Your scooter will come correct with the wall plug mount for your market. When not plugged in but the power is on, there will be a green light. Then when we plug it in to charge it, that light will go red to signify that it is charging. Once the scooter is fully charged, which from flat takes 4 to 5 hours, that light will then go green, and that signifies it's fully charged. Obviously, just as anything on charge, we don't recommend it's left charging overnight. So we're going to pop that back in just to make sure it's nice and waterproof, because the scooter is IPX4 rated, so that it can be used in light rain. So we're ready to turn on the scooter. One important thing to mention is the scooter does come with an integrated app, which is available in the Apple App Store or Google Play. The example you can see on screen here is how easy it is to download. You don't need to put in any personal information or anything like that, and your data is completely safe. All it does is give you advanced features. So once you have downloaded the app, we're going to open it up. We're going to turn the scooter on with a single button on the top there, hold it down for 2 seconds, and it turns on. In the app, we then just choose the scooter. We've got the E4 Plus here, and click confirm, and it will then automatically pair with it if it's been paired before. If not, you just tap the Bluetooth logo, type 6 zeros, so 000000, and then you'll be presented with this screen here, which is the main home screen for the app. As you can see, you've got a tachometer showing the speed, the battery power meter there, and also shows you what power assistance mode you're in. There's other features as well, like the light screen, so you can turn on your headlight, for example. You can change your beam color, change the brightness of it, and you can also lock the scooter from here, which is an electromechanical lock, making it very hard to be moved away. The Reid app is available for Apple and Android and is simply called Reid, R-E-I-D. So a quick walk around of your E4 Plus scooter. We've got ergonomic width handlebars here with comfortable rubber grips. You've got a brake lever which automatically cuts out the motor when you brake. This activates the rear disc brake and the electromechanical front brake. You've got a display here which shows your battery level, your speed, your power meter, and your Bluetooth connectivity, so you can check that your app is connected to it at all times. You then got your throttle on the right hand here, which is just push and go, very, very simple. So the scooter features an all aluminium chassis, so it's nice and lightweight and sturdy. This is the folding mechanism which connects into the rear brake for easy carrying and transport. You've then got the front wheel, which has the motor and electronic braking. The E4 Plus uses 10-inch wheels, so it's got a higher rollover and is a little bit more comfortable. You've then got an extended aluminium deck here with rubber inserts, so great traction, great comfort for longer commutes. Inside here, you've got your battery and control unit. The whole casing is IPX4 rated, so it's waterproof for light showers, etc. Then at the back here, you've got your mechanical disc brake, which assists with the braking along with the electromechanical front brake, which enhances safety on this model. To learn more about the E4 Plus e-scooter, please check out our next video, which goes into more detail about some of the features and benefits.